I'm using half kilo of catfish. I've already cut them into small pieces. And I'm using fermented bamboo shoot, 200 grams. Green chili, 4 to 5 pieces. I've already sliced them. One medium-sized ginger. I've already pounded them. 15 to 20 cloves of garlic and one big size onion. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and few leaves of chive. Chives, it gives a very unique taste to your curry. So in most of the authentic dishes of Manipur, they use chive. So let's heat up the pan and start cooking. So at first we'll pour some cooking oil. We'll pour something around 30 ml of cooking oil. So as soon as the oil gets heated up, we can fry it. I'm not going to do deep fry. We're just going to saute this for a few minutes. If you want, you can cook this without frying also, but by sauteing this for a few minutes, it gives a very unique taste. So I like it this way. So saute it for a few minutes. After it changes to light brown, you can take out the fish now. So now in the remaining oil, by lowering the flame, now at first we're going to fry the chive. Remember to cover the lid because lots of sparkles will come out while frying the chive. So when the chive color changes to light brown, that time you can put the onion, saute it for a few minutes. When the onion color changes to light brown, that time you can add the ginger. I can saute it for a few minutes. Now we can add the garlic, green chili, and again we're going to saute this for a few more minutes. Cumin powder, coriander powder, so here this is very important, if you're gonna put potato, then put it before putting the bamboo shoot, because once you put the bamboo shoot, after that if you put the potato, then the potato won't be cooked nicely. So potato is optional, by the way. If you want to put the potato, put it before the bamboo shoot. So here I'm using the potato. So I'm putting the potato now. So after cooking the potato for a few minutes, now I'm gonna add the bamboo shoot. Mix it nicely. Now you can add the red chili powder. Give a nice mix. So after mixing it nicely, you can put 1 cup of water and make it boil. and put the turmeric powder and give a nice mix. Lower the flame and make it boil by covering the lid. Make it boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can open the lid, and there you can see the bamboo shoot. It's already changed in the color. So now it's time to put the salt. So put salt as per your taste. The catfish which we fried earlier, and give a nice mix. So here we are going to cook this mixture until all the gravy get dry up nicely. So once the gravy get dry up, that time we are going to put the gravy again, and then we're going to cover the lid and cook it again. So now as the gravy is already dry, so we're going to put 2 glasses of water. Give a good stir and then make it boil by covering the lid. Make it boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, now we can open the lid. This is a very simple way of cooking catfish with bamboo shoot, fermented bamboo shoot. So finally it's done.